December 4th, 2023. I'm trying to ship some models today. The problem is the eBay is not allowing to ship any packages. Also, I tried the website from the United States Post Office and it does not allow me to ship any models. So anyways, this is ready to go. I have the shipping label for this, but I don't know why it is not allowing me to ship any other packages on either USPS or eBay. I think the system is down. I tried, but it's not working anyway. So these two are ready to go. I don't remember. I don't think I have this one ready. But at least James is here working. So I need to prove it's working, and I gotta make sure it works. And we have someone order Hero, thank you. I think it's Stepney and Boko. Yes, so these models are ready to go, but I can't print the shipping labels, so I'm sorry, but it's not my fault. It's something it's going on. Maybe it's the USPS system is down. The United States Postal Service, it's down right now. But anyways, so we have also Duke, very nice Duke. Montage, I try to remember the name, but Montage Duke, it is working. Also, you've seen this previously on my videos. They are in working order. So we have Boko here with a tar tanker, nice. And we have lady. I think we fixed this lady. I remember we did the video fix and repair, nice. I don't have the tracks here with me, but anyways, I'm gonna show you what's the error message we're getting on eBay, also from the post office, I mean from the USPS, United States Postal Services. We have Gator, and the last one is Stepney. See, what I'm doing is I always record the videos what I'm shipping every day, but I do not post those videos. So that's what I do. But this time I'm gonna post this video, and eventually sometimes I post whatever I'm shipping. But I have those on files, and I will upload those videos soon. This is the error we're getting on eBay, and look, from the USPS.com I get the same problem. So I'm really sorry, but I cannot ship those models. I think it's Stepney, Boko, Hero, Talking James, and Duke. So if you're expecting this, they will be delayed. I don't know how long it's gonna take for USPS to fix the problem. But anyways, thank you everybody for your orders, and see you next time.